Hey guys, it's Vickie Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm so excited because I have my Whiff box that I opened on a Facebook Live. Now, I opened it with a Valentine's Day unboxing that I did live, but I wanted the videos to be separate. So I'm going to be cutting them. So they might look a little weird because I'm going to edit them into two different videos. But just know that this is the one for the Whiff box for January. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Do you have any questions? All right, you guys, let's get into it. So it's Whiff box time. You like that? Does that crack you up? Hold on. You guys, my desk is a mess. All right, so we're going to go over our Whiff box. So I just received this as well. I am so happy that it didn't get wet in my box because that box was soaking wet. But no, it's perfect, and I'm excited to open it up. So every month you can order a Whiff box, okay? And it has sample size and full size products, and it's worth more than you're paying. You can get it you can get it every month. You can get it every other month or every 3 months if you put it in your Scentsy club. And if you have a Scentsy club that's over $60, you get a half price item. This is perfect to get for a half price item because you get a ton of stuff in it. I'm super excited, and they're different every month. So let's go ahead and open it up. And they're great gifts. So if you know somebody that loves, like, I don't know, maybe the Bark box, the Cat Lady box like I used to get. I used to get the Faith box, the Hustle Girl box, and blah, blah, blah. I love subscription boxes. Well, if you know anyone that loves that, they may love the Whiff box. So they're great gifts. All right, so we're going to go ahead and open. And it says, Scent with Love. All right. And then you get your little paper. It says, time to pamper yourself. And then it says it in a couple other languages because we sell all over the world. We're internationally known. All right, so then you get a couple little pouches of Scentsy Air, which I just think is great. All right, so now in your Whiff box, you get several items, and I'm excited to see. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, so you get I just showed this in my Valentine's Day video. You get the Starburst Sky hand cream, which I love. I go through so much hand cream, and this is perfect for spring, summer for me. Love, love, love. So you get one of these. Love it. And then you get Just Breathe in hand soap. Have we had Just Breathe in hand soap? Maybe this is something new for the spring, summer catalog. Hello, maybe. Might be a hint, you guys, because we're getting a new catalog on March 1st. So this may be a little hint. So I'm excited about that. Then we're getting Banana Leaf Bamboo. I don't normally like outdoorsy scents, but I'm going to give it a try. This is a scent that's new. So are we getting this in a collection maybe? Is it going to be in the spring summer catalog? Maybe. I don't know. But something's coming down the road because this looks fishy and this looks fishy because these are not normal. This is a normal scent, but not a scent in this product. So I'm excited about that. I actually like this. I like it. I don't know what the scent description is on it. Banana leaf and bamboo. I like it. It's outdoorsy, but it's more tropical outdoorsy, and I do like this one. I like it. All right, so I vote yes on this. This for me would be a bathroom scent, banana leaf and bamboo, but I think this is going to be a popular scent. I like it. Okay, the next one, pink coconut. Is that the scent of the month? I believe that's the scent of the month for next month. So I'm not going to sniff it because when I get my scent and warmer of the month kit, I want to do a sniff. But one of my customers is going to be super excited to get this as a sample. It's a nice big sample. I would say this is like, it looks like a cube, maybe a cube and a half of wax. That's a lot. Okay, the next thing we got was Luna Sugar Scrub. And I love Sugar Scrub, although I have a lot. So I may put this in samples because I have a lot of Sugar Scrub. Because I buy the Bright Cider Life when we had that. I bought a ton of it. So that's what I'm still using. And I think I still have Valentine's Day from last year too. But I'm definitely probably going to use this. But I love the scent Luna. And the Sugar Scrub is amazing. Amazing. So that's what you get in your Whiff box. So you save a ton of money ordering. Like I said, you get the Luna Sugar Scrub. You get Just Breathe hand soap. This has got to be in the new catalog. It's got to be. You get, which I'm super excited about, the Starburst Sky hand cream. You get that. You get the pink coconut, a huge sample of that, which I believe is the scent of the month for February. And you get banana leaf and bamboo wax bar, which I think is phenomenal. So that is everything, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. So I hope you're having a great weekend, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.